Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 18, Course 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia and I'm very happy to start this new lesson today. So, today's lesson is about something completely new. We're going to talk about the dates, le date in Italian. Le date. Le is an article, is a feminine and plural article. Le date, and it's the only plural feminine one. Okay? Great. So let's start. For example, the week. La settimana. La settimana. Perfect. The days of the week. I giorni della settimana. The days of the week. Della is of the. Okay? Perfect. Then we have the first day of the week. So Monday. Monday is lunedì with an accent at the end. Lunedì. Tuesday, martedì. So you still have the accent. Martedì. Wednesday, mercoledì. Mercoledì. Thursday, giovedì. Giovedì. Perfect. Friday, venerdì. Venerdì. Great. Saturday, sabato. No accent here. Sabato. And finally, Sunday. Sunday is domenica. Domenica. Maybe our favorite day of the week. So, okay, perfect. So let's start with the months then. The months, I mesi. I mesi. I is a masculine plural article, and it's actually the plural form of the masculine singular article il. Il becomes I in plural. Okay? I mesi, the months. Perfect. So let's start from January. January, gennaio. Gennaio. Also, if you want to say in January, for example, the preposition that you have to use in Italian is not in, but a. So the simple letter A in English. In January, a gennaio. February, febbraio. Febbraio. In February, a febbraio. Okay? That applies to all months. March, marzo. Marzo. So letter Z has the sound S. Marzo. April, aprile. That is easy. Aprile. Watch out the accent. Aprile. May, maggio. Maggio. In May, a maggio. Okay? Always the same. June, giugno. Giugno. So G and O has the sound gno. Giugno. July, luglio. Luglio. Perfect. August, agosto. Agosto. September, settembre. Now you have the start of the easy part of the months because they are very similar to the English ones. Settembre. October, ottobre. Ottobre. November, novembre. Novembre. So basically you just switch R and E in English, but then the pronunciation is a little bit different, of course. And December, dicembre. Dicembre. Great. Perfect. The year. The year, l'anno. If you remember, I anticipated that in last lesson. We were talking about the verb to have. They have is lo, essi, hanno, but with an H. That's the great difference. L'anno. Anno is a masculine word, so its article is lo. But as the word starts with a vocal, then you delete the O and you put an apostrophe. L'anno. Okay, so let's do a small exercise. What you will have to do is just to write or say out loud the missing days of the week. Okay? So just pause the video and take your time to complete the exercise, because I'm going to reveal the solutions in a bit. Ready? Time to pause the video. And here are the solutions. So you have, repeat right after me please, lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. How did you do it? Perfect. And now let's do another one. So you will have to do the same thing, but with the months. Okay? So once again, pause the video and take your time to fill the missing months in. Okay? Ready? Start. And here are the solutions. Okay? So the missing months were febbraio, aprile, giugno, agosto, ottobre, dicembre. If you made some mistakes, just try this exercise one more time. Okay? Perfect. So let's review all the new things we have seen in this lesson. As usual, please repeat right after me. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica, gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre. L'anno, la settimana, il mese, i mesi. The month, the months. Okay? Perfect. Very good. I hope you enjoyed these new lessons, and complimenti, congratulations, you have just finished this new lesson. We're very close to the end of course 1.